Welcome back! That's not my intro. What is up, guys? My name is Killen and this is Rarity Reviews. What we do here at Rarity Reviews is we review product. Oh my. What we do here on Rarity Reviews is we review product. Rarity Reviews is all about reviewing products and promoting them, which we haven't done. What products do you review? Oh, we review outdoor active products. We are the number one outdoor active reviewer. So if you're into active stuff or if you're into outdoor stuff, I would highly recommend to subscribe. So let's get on with the video. Oh yeah, quick note. The new Kill Save hat, we are getting this one and another version, so be on the lookout for these. We got the snapback, the mesh back on this one, and the other one is solid with the green underbrim. So definitely look on the website killsaveenterprise.com, and I'll link that in the description. It's always down there, so if you see a piece of clothing that's Kill Save, definitely check out the website. And yeah. Now let's get on the video. What we're reviewing today is actually a product I really needed, and this is why. See this? Looks like it's an earthquake. That's right, you guessed it, you saw the thumbnail. It is a tripod, and this tripod is a Vesta. A Vesta is almost an outdoor company. They have multiple different types of tripods, so you can get very small to very big and expensive. So this is like mid-range, the most cost for the buy. It's probably good for just starting out. So we're gonna do a compare on the Amazon versus the Vesta, because this Amazon thing is just not cutting it. I mean, it works. You see that? I just don't trust it. Let me grab you off of there real quick. Oh, you're floating! You're floating! What we got here is actually, I've been using this for quite some time. I think it's been like 3 years. This one I got on Amazon. I will link that in the description along with the new one we are reviewing. So, as we look over it, it is not doing so well. I don't trust this top. This top piece wiggles, and it's not supposed to. Down there. Okay, looking at this thing, it has a leveler right there, but I guess I sometimes use it. But has a clamp right here. That's not really that good a clamp. And then this thing broke off the first day. And that's where to turn. You gotta turn this, unlock it, and this thing controls up and down on that. And there's supposed to be a lever that that broke first day. Yeah, this piece, the lock broke off of it, and the bottom side, that thing broke off. There was like a metal piece so you could twist it on, but you usually have to take some pliers, and I twist it on. Sometimes I just use my fingers, because this thing does not stay in place. It is not a good deal. So that pops in there, and then this thing, that thing easily pops out. So if you're working on something and you try to tilt it forward and the camera's not securely in there, it'll just pop out. This is the Amazon. Remember, Amazon. I never use this thing. I haven't used that forever, but you can tilt the camera if you want it up and down. And then you have this on the other side, which you can make it turn. I guess I didn't know that. But it still turns anyways. And then down there, it's like eating the sides away because of these notches. So slowly it's gonna start making it wiggle even more than usual. And what I didn't get on these tripods is, why is there a hook right there? I don't get that. I never figured that out. I think it's to hang something with it, but I'm not sure. But on this one, it goes pretty dang high. I mean, You can see that. It goes all the way up there. It does a trick, but they just have these clips on here. And this stuff is made of like very thin metal. Like you could easily break these. Easily. Just the sound of it. On these legs, you can actually extend that one and then extend another one. So it is very, very tall. And then on the bottom it has these swivel cups. So they adapt to the ground. Normally they don't even bend to the ground. It's usually standing like that. Down here, the locking system is just this turn, and this is really cheap plastic. Not very good for it. And it just slides up and down like that. And you just pick it up and set it down like that. So yeah, that's the one I've been using forever. That, I think that was around 30. Yeah, around 30 or so. This new one is actually 65. Couple last things on this thing. This sway arm. Really? Really? I'm trying to film. Alright, yeah, this thing is so you can actually move it up and down. It feels like very stiff, and you can't really feel like butter, very smooth. It does not work that well. And it squeaks, so that makes it even better. That's a real nice name. Very high tech. It's all plastic pretty much. Except that's glass. Plastic, plastic, plastic. The only thing is this cheap metal down here. It's like aluminum. I think it's aluminum. Oh, shoot. I just broke it. No! I just broke it. What the? Now you know why I need a new one. Alright, we got the new tripod. This one is the Vista. Got it right there. Now it's a Vista 23AP, and it is made by Vanguard. Very nice. Normal packaging, and on the bottom it says it goes up to 22 inches just normally, which is in this stance, and then it goes all the way up to 61.2. Wow. And it weighs 7.7 pounds, and it can turn 20 millimeters. Alright, let's crack this thing open. The box. Well, that's it. Just a tripod. Oh my god. Why isn't it coming out? Oh, there we go. A warranty card. That's useful. Alright. Seems pretty easy. It's very noticeable. This thing is very high grade material. It is some type of metal. I don't know. I think it's a thicker aluminum. It has the logo right there. And let's start with the bottom. The feet are not movable. They kind of have this tread pattern on the bottom, and they have different angles to match the ground instead of having to move. So that's even better. And these clips, they feel very sturdy. Oh, easy to slide out. I like that. The other one is stiffer to get out. Wow. So I'll make it twice as fast to set up. Okay, let's see where these legs go. So we got the normal tripod set up. You can go that far. On tripods, they always say to lift up here to separate the legs, not down here. Because it's way easier up here anyways. Nice. These slide fast, so you can easily get them out. And the locks on them are very nice. Keep in mind, this is $65. And these come out very, very, very smooth. Almost like they have liquid in them. Very nice. And then you have your lock adjustment right here. This is like a very refined plastic, so it won't break on you, and it has a bolt inside that is metal. All the plastic on it is like very refined, and you can tell it's sturdier than the other tripod. So you got your lock for your adjustment right here on the top part, and pretty much have it anywhere you want. You just lock it down and unlock it, push it back down. You're gonna leave it right here. There's basically no noise to it at all. There's a major plus side to that. So let's bring this down a little bit. So you have your lock by twisting this, your lock up and down. And when you lock it, it's pretty much locked right there. It's not gonna move pretty much. So it's very smooth, not liquid, but almost. So on this side, you have your lock, so it doesn't go back and forth. And then you just flip the switch, and then you can have that nice pan shot. Up here on top of this circle, it has those notches right there. If you can see it. Yeah, it has notches right here, in case you want those degrees. So this top part moves, and then if you don't want to really turn that, this part moves too. It's a little bit stiffer, but you can also lock it with this knob on the other side. This small knob is for the top one, and this big knob is for the whole base. And then a big part, the locking system on top. So that's a lock, so you turn it to the flat part, push it back down, and there's this little notch that pokes up. And that will be able to use to take it out. They have the lock, it's almost like a little button you push down. That's to lock it so you don't have your camera fall off. And then the swivel, it has that thing on the bottom. See, the other tripod, that broke, so you couldn't really grip that well. And then on top, it has a grip almost. It has a nice rubber grip to the top of it. There's only one way to get this in. One side is actually longer, so you can only get it on one side. So you just turn that, slide it back into there, and then lock it down. So your camera is not going to fall out of that since it has this lock. It even has a level right down in there. And then it has a sponge to keep water out, just in case you get water on this. And the swivels, they look like they're waterproof too, so you can use this out in the rain. It does have a level up here too, instead of down here. So you have two levels up here to make it absolute perfect if you need it square. Let's see some shots shot on this tripod versus the one it's on right now. With everything tightened. There's shake test. Oh, that's hard. There we go. Yeah, that's not good. A little bit smoother feeling from the last one. So that has good tilt. Very nice. We will go sideways. So that's as far as that one can go. Very fast. Sound of that one. This sound of that one. That one's like no sound at all. In conclusion, if you have the money, definitely go with the $60 one. That's what the camera's on right now. And this one's the Amazon one. It did its job, served its purpose for who knows how many years. It did break, it had its breakage because of this thin plastic. So, I would definitely go with the Vista instead of this one. And I would be sure to link both of them down below. So if you do need a budget one, then definitely get this one. And then if you have that extra 60, then I would highly recommend going with this one. In the end, if you have enough money, get the Vista over this one. It'll save you so much hassle and it won't break on you like this one. Hopefully you choose the right budget tripod. This is not a bad choice to go with if you're starting out, and if you're really starting out, then go with this one. But I'd probably save that extra money just to get that one. But anyways, I hope you learned something from this, and I hope you get the right tripod and look into this Vista one, and you can buy it through my links. I always list the products that are in this video down in the description, so you can always check those out. I'll make it easier for you, so you can just go down there, order it, and then it'll be shipped to your home. So definitely go check those out, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit that like button, subscribe as always, and think positive, stay happy, and later.